Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Vietnamese Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. If you could speak Vietnamese clearly, confidently, and be understood from your very first day, not after months of practice, not after memorizing hundreds of words, from the very beginning, because pronunciation is the key. Vietnamese is a language where even a small change in sound can completely change the meaning. So today, we're going to slow everything down and build your pronunciation the right way, step by step, sound by sound, so you can start speaking clearly from day one. Vietnamese is not just about words, it's about tones, pitch, rhythm. A single word can have multiple meanings depending on how you say it. So pronunciation here is not optional. It is essential. The good news: once you understand the system, it becomes predictable and learnable. Let's begin with the heart of Vietnamese, the tones. There are 6 tones. Each one changes the meaning of a word. We'll go slowly. Listen. Then repeat. First, the level tone. Ma. Flat. Steady. No rise, no fall, just calm. Next, the rising tone. Ma. Your voice goes up, like asking a question. Ma. Then the falling tone. Ma. Voice drops softly. Ma. Next, the broken rising tone. Ma. It dips, then rises. Ma. Then the heavy tone. Ma. Short, low, with a stop. Ma. Finally, the high broken tone. Ma. It rises sharply, with a slight break. Begin. You slowly feel the difference. These tones are the foundation. Now let's look at vowels. Vietnamese has many vowel sounds, and they are very precise. We'll focus on a few key ones. A, like father. Shorter, quicker. neutral, relaxed, E like bed, A longer, more closed, O rounded, O tighter, more focused, relaxed, mid-sound, food, unrounded, unique sound. Take your time. Repeat slowly. Each vowel must be clear. Most consonants are familiar, but some are different. Let's focus on important ones. This can appear at the beginning of a word. Practice. Gone. Don't add a vowel before it. Just start with the sound. Next. Each. Soft. Like knee. Yeah. Gentle. Then thumb. A soft T with breath. The sound from the back of the throat. Soft friction. Asa. Practice slowly. Let your mouth adjust. Vietnamese word endings are short and very controlled. Sounds like T are not fully released, they stop quickly. Example, mot. Stop the sound. Don't release it fully. Keep it sharp. This is very important for clarity. Vietnamese is rhythmic. Each syllable is clear, even, balanced. Unlike some languages, you don't blend words together as much. Each syllable gets its space. So speak steadily, not rushed, not blurred. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Focus on tones. Focus on clarity. Ma, 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 ma. Now words. Xin chào. Cam ơn. Không. Ngon. Take your time. Slow is good. Let's avoid a few mistakes. First, ignoring tones. This is the biggest one. Always include the tone. Second, rushing vowels. Make them clear. Third, overblending words. Keep syllables distinct. Clarity comes from separation. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You need understandable pronunciation. That's your goal. Every time you practice, your ear improves. Your mouth adapts. Your confidence grows. So speak early. Speak often. Even if it's slow. You now have the foundation to pronounce Vietnamese clearly from day one, not perfectly, but confidently. And that's what matters. So take these sounds, practice them daily, and start speaking right away. Because the sooner you speak, the faster you improve. And I'll be here, guiding you every step of the way. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.